love industrial areas of cities because I think in a way they tell you much more about a city than the areas that have been cleaned up and renovated for show to tourists. Blue Train was a site-specific performance event that we did here in Lincoln, Nebraska, and in its final form it took place in two main sections. The first half was inside in the wagon train space, and the second half took the audience outside to follow the performers around the adjacent rail yards.
Now you see, there's been a great deal of confusion regarding the difference between a hobo and a bum or a tramp. Isn't that right, Doc?
Well, I suppose I see it this way. A hobo wanders and works. A tramp wanders but doesn't work. And a bum neither wanders nor works.
The entire production of Blue Train was done in close collaboration between myself and John King, who was the composer.
A little bit more, okay?
When I first started working on Blue Train, it was a very slow process of just being in a place, observing a place. The most dominant sound, the most dominant sort of visual image I saw all over Lincoln was these trains. You either heard them or saw them no matter where you went. And I kind of likened that to the fact that in Brooklyn, where I live, you always smell the sea, you always feel the sea, you sense it in the weather, you hear it in the boat horns. It's the sort of defining factor of New York, being that it's a harbor, a natural harbor, and that's why it was settled. And to me, the trains became that thing for Lincoln, that defining aspect of Lincoln's history.